Okay, unique verse. So seminja yami makusiwa indlu iyasha verse. Phakathi khona i-ex yakho ne-crush yakho uba ngomsafe.
The ex and the crush dog.
Ngobani?
I mean, I got nothing to do with the ex. I've moved on, like you understand, dog. So crush, I'm moving forward. Stand up back, moving forward.
Alright. So qonda ukusinja www.
Yo, to be honest, angazi, bro, cause
Yeah.
yeah, cause I don't give a damn.
Alright, so seminja yami. Highest amount I spend a good days.
Uh, any amount as long as she's worth it.
Highest nje verse owawayespenda wena kwi-days before.
I've never went to dates.
Awazi kwi-days?
Nah.
Nami nje angikaze mina ngiyisisekeni kwi-days kodwa sengayo kwi-days but esinye story leso. So semi nje
Ayanqaba-ke mina, bro.
uyanqaba.
Yeah, she was like she wanted to go out.